Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sir Milan Chess. In today's chess video, I am going to give you two different chess rap for every chess players. Okay? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Okay? If you found this video interesting, share your thoughts about chess in the comment below. I am telling again, if you found this video interesting, share your thoughts about chess in the comments below. Okay, let's go to the rap number 1. Okay, hello chess fans and chess lovers, welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is rap number 1. The rap name is England Gambit Rap for Black. Okay, let's go to the moves. The game starts with d4, then black replies with e5, then pawn take the pawn. Okay, then black decided to push its knight to c6 and develop the knight, and in the same time this knight attack this pawn. Okay, now we will seek up to candle this match. White knight go to f3. Okay, now defend the pawn by the knight. Then queen come to e7. Now double attackers to the white pawn. This queen attack this pawn, in the same time this knight attack this pawn. That's why after the move of queen, black queen move, after the move of queen, this bishop come to here. I think we will see. Okay, now we will see how to handle this match. White. Now white bishop come to a4 and defend the pawn. Then the fourth move of black. Black queen go to b4 and brilliant check here. Okay, this queen, there is a beautiful check, and in the same time this queen attack this pawn, and we will see how to handle this match. White. Okay, now white bishop go to d2 and defend the check by the white bishop. Okay, then now beautiful move make black queen cross d2. Now attack the rook by the queen. You can see here this queen attack this rook. That's why white need to move like this. Okay, you can see here knight come to c3. Then black made a brilliant move of knight b4. Now to attack here, you can see here I am going to teach you this knight attack this pawn, in the same time this queen attack this one. Then this queen is only one defender this pawn. Okay, now seventh move of white rook go to c1 and defend the pawn. Now black made a brilliant move of d6. Okay, you can see now white is a deep trouble if they aren't careful, because you can see if he take this pawn, that's it, white lost the game, because you can see come to white lost the game. Okay, e cross d6, this is the bad moves he did. That's why easily cut the bishop go to f5 and 3 attackers here to this pawn. You can see here this bishop attack this pawn, in the same time this knight attack this pawn, this queen attack this pawn. White has only 2 defender. We will see up to candle this match. White. Okay, white pawn take the pawn. This is the big mistake he did. That's why easily win the game. Black. Now black knight go to c2 and brilliant check. Now if rook is to cut the knight, then bishop take them c2 rook, then king come to c1, then cut the queen, then cut the queen. Okay, now you can see black wins the rook and black has a strong position and black has so many pieces. That's why this game black win easily. Okay, we can tell the secret of this game, why it's work. Okay, I am telling you, most club level and online players don't expect this e4 d4 move to e5. Okay, you can see here most club level players and online players don't expect this e5 for move. The rap work especially well in blitz. Okay, This ref work especially well in blitz. Even title players have lost game in the line if they work careless. Okay, this is rap number 1. That's it. We can go to the rap number 2. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is rap number 2. 95% win rate can be draft for black. This rap is for black. You can see up to black won the game, why white lost the game. I am going to teach you deeply and smartly. Let's go to the moves. The game starts with e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then e5. Then knight f3. Then knight f6. Okay. Then the third move of white. White cut the pawn by the pawn. Then black develop the knight and attack the knight. In the same time, now knight cut the knight, then pawn take the knight. Okay. Now the fifth move of white chain. White push the pawn to d3 and open the bishop diagonal. You can see here, this bishop is easy to come this line. You can see come to can't this much black. Now black bishop go to c5 and attack this pawn on f2. This bishop attack this pawn on f2. Okay. Then bishop come to g5. Now pin the knight and queen. Now you can see white made a brilliant move of knight goes e4. Now white cannot do anything here because this game easily win black. If bishop take the queen, that's it. In 2-3 moves, black win the game, checkmate. Go back. If black knight cut the pawn, white has two options. First one is cut the queen, or the pawn is take the knight. We will see one by one. If knight take the pawn, if bishop take the queen, what will happen? Okay. Now bishop take the pawn and brilliant check. Then king come to here. Then bishop go to there in g4 and brilliant checkmate. That's it. This is rap number 2. Okay. Let's go to the another variation. If knight take the pawn, if pawn take like this, what will happen? If bishop take the pawn and brilliant check. Now white king has two options. First one is push the king to here, or if the king take the bishop. You can see one by one. If king come here, then brilliant check with bishop. That's it. Now wrap the rook queen. That's it. Okay, go back now. If king cut this bishop, then cut the queen by the queen. Totally this game, black win easily. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video interesting, share your thoughts about chess in the comments below. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.